Craving perfectly crisp dosas, but tired of grainy, heavy batter ruining your breakfast? Today, we are ranking the ultimate blenders that will transform your kitchen into a South Indian culinary haven. In this video, I am walking you through 7 popular blenders I have personally put to the test in my own kitchen, grinding batch after batch of thick batter. I will break down exactly how each one handles the heavy load, but you will want to stick around for our number 1 pick. It completely blew my mind and perfectly matched the texture of a traditional stone wet grinder. 7. Magic Bullet MBF 50200. Now I wanted to see if a compact, everyday personal blender could actually tackle the demanding task of grinding soaked lentils and rice. It is incredibly convenient for quick morning smoothies, taking up almost zero counter space with its sleek, minimalist profile. When I loaded it up with a small batch of soaked urad dal and a splash of water, the initial pulse seemed promising. The blades spin fast, and for a few seconds, it looks like it might just do the trick. However, the honeymoon phase ends quickly once the mixture starts to thicken up into that familiar paste. The biggest issue I encountered is the motor's sheer lack of torque for heavy jobs. As the batter gets sticky, the Magic Bullet audibly strains, emitting a high-pitched whine that makes you worry about the motor burning out. I found myself having to constantly stop, unscrew the blade assembly, and stir the mixture manually just to get things moving again. Another significant drawback is the tiny capacity of the blending cups. If you are making dosa batter for a family of 4, you will be standing in your kitchen doing 10 separate micro batches. This extends the prep time drastically and turns a simple weekend breakfast prep into an exhausting, repetitive chore. Furthermore, the extended blending time required to get even a moderately smooth texture causes the machine to heat up. This heat transfers directly into your batter, which is a massive red flag, because warm batter will ferment irregularly or turn sour too quickly. Ultimately, while it is a neat little gadget for your protein shakes, it falls woefully short of what a proper dosa enthusiast needs. 6. Chefman C27-0-2M-US1. With a name like that, I had fairly high expectations for its pulverizing power. It boasts a rugged, industrial look and claims to be a countertop powerhouse, capable of destroying tough ingredients. During my testing, I loaded the large pitcher with a standard ratio of parboiled rice and water. The motor does have significantly more kick than the Magic Bullet, creating a decent initial vortex that pulls the grains down into the stainless steel blades. For a budget-friendly large-capacity blender, it starts off looking like a pretty great deal. But as the blending progressed, the flaws became glaringly apparent. The obliterator is aggressively loud, almost deafeningly so in a small kitchen environment. Beyond the noise, the plastic housing of the base feels incredibly lightweight and flimsy, vibrating intensely and practically walking across my countertop when tackling the dense rice mixture. I also noticed that the blade design isn't optimized for thick, viscous liquids like idli or dosa batter. Instead of a smooth, continuous fold, the blades tend to create an air pocket right above them, leaving the top layer of batter completely unblended. I had to use a spatula repeatedly to push the rice back down into the cutting zone, which defeats the purpose of a high-speed blender. Finally, the consistency of the final batter was a letdown. Even after running it for a prolonged period, I could still feel gritty, sand-like particles of rice between my fingers. The machine just couldn't achieve that silky, airy smoothness required for a light and crispy dosa, making it a frustrating experience overall. 5. Aeitto blender for kitchen. This model steps up the game with a robust 1,500 watt motor, bridging the gap between budget machines and high-end professional gear. I was eager to see how this mid-range contender would handle our traditional recipes. Putting it to the test with a heavy load of urad dal, I immediately noticed a difference in stability compared to the earlier models. The machine sits firmly on the counter, and the motor engages with a reassuring hum rather than a terrifying shriek. The large capacity Triton pitcher easily accommodated enough ingredients for a standard family batch. What impressed me was the variable speed control dial. Being able to start the grind on a low setting allows the blades to grab the tough, soaked lentils without just flinging them uselessly to the walls of the jar. As I slowly dialed up the speed, the batter began to circulate beautifully, forming a proper vortex. There is a slight learning curve though. Because the pitcher is quite wide at the base, you do need to ensure you add exactly the right amount of water. If you skimp on the hydration, the batter can get stuck in the corners, requiring a bit of manual intervention with the included tamper to keep things moving. Once you dial in the liquid ratio, the Aeitto delivers a surprisingly smooth paste. The batter came out well aerated and fluffy, and most importantly, it remained cool to the touch throughout the entire grinding process. It is a highly capable machine that offers fantastic value for home cooks looking to upgrade their South Indian cooking game. Four, Ninja BL770. Ninja has a massive reputation for powerful, versatile appliances, and this system comes with a massive 72-ounce pitcher alongside a dedicated food processor bowl, making it a true multitasker. I decided to test the main pitcher first for the rice portion of the batter. Ninja's unique stacked blade assembly looks intimidating and goes to work immediately. It effortlessly crushes through the soaked rice, creating a massive, chaotic storm inside the pitcher that breaks down the tough grains in record time. The sheer power of the 1,500-watt base means you rarely have to worry about the motor stalling. It plows through thick mixtures with a commanding authority that gives you confidence. The suction cups on the bottom of the base are incredibly strong, locking the unit down so securely that you can practically walk away while it blends. One thing to keep in mind with the stacked blades is that they chop rather than create a traditional downward vortex. This means that while the rice gets broken down very quickly, you might occasionally find a few stray grains that escaped the blades by clinging to the absolute top edge of the pitcher, requiring a quick scrape down. However, the overall results are fantastic. When I blended the urad dal, it whipped up into a beautifully frothy, cloud-like consistency that fermented perfectly overnight. The Ninja BL770 proves to be an incredibly versatile workhorse that handles dosa batter with ease while offering plenty of other functions for your daily kitchen needs. 3. ASTRALSHIP ASH01-S Pro. This is a brand that might not be a household name yet, but it absolutely blew me away during my testing phase. Designed as a professional-grade kitchen tool, it comes equipped with a heavy-duty glass jar, which is a rare and highly welcome feature. Grinding spices and lentils can often leave stubborn smells and microscopic scratches in plastic pitchers. The thick borosilicate glass jar on the ASTRALSHIP completely eliminates this issue. After grinding a highly fragrant batch of fenugreek seeds and urad dal, a quick wash left the glass absolutely pristine and odor-free. The performance is just as premium as the build quality. The powerful motor drives a set of hardened stainless steel blades that create an aggressive, deep vortex. When I poured in the soaked rice, it was pulled directly into the center funnel, ensuring every single grain passed through the cutting zone multiple times for an even grind. Naturally, the glass jar makes the pitcher quite heavy, which might be a slight inconvenience when you are trying to scrape out every last drop of that precious, sticky batter. You definitely need to use two hands when pouring the batter into your fermentation vessel to avoid any slips or accidents. But that weight translates to incredible stability and unparalleled noise reduction. The heavy glass dampens the sound of the grinding significantly, making it a pleasure to use. The resulting batter is phenomenally smooth, delivering a silky, perfectly textured paste that truly rivals commercial wet grinders. 2. Breville BBL620-SIL. Breville is renowned for its thoughtful engineering, and this blender is a masterclass in sleek design paired with highly functional, specialized blending technology. The secret weapon of the Fresh and Furious is its proprietary kinetics blade and bowl system. The blades are uniquely contoured to sweep the very bottom of the pitcher, leaving absolutely no dead zones. When I dropped in the tricky, sticky urad dal, I watched in amazement as the blades continuously folded the mixture over itself. This continuous folding action means you almost never have to stop the machine to scrape down the sides. It incorporates air into the batter naturally, whipping the dal into a spectacularly fluffy, meringue-like consistency. This extreme aeration is the golden ticket to achieving those incredibly soft, pillowy idlis and crisp, paper-thin dosas. While the motor isn't the highest wattage on our list, Breville's engineering proves that sheer efficiency easily beats raw power. It handles the dense batter without breaking a sweat, though the pitcher capacity is slightly smaller than the massive Ninja or Aeitto models, meaning you might have to do your rice and dal in 2 distinct batches. The LCD timer and pre-programmed settings add a layer of convenience that is hard to give up once you've experienced it. You can track exactly how long your batter has been grinding, ensuring ultimate consistency every single time you cook. It is an exceptionally refined, quiet, and capable machine that belongs in any serious cook's kitchen. 1. Vitamix Ascent X5. If you are serious about South Indian cuisine and want a machine that will reliably last a lifetime, this is the ultimate investment. Testing this blender was an absolute revelation in what home culinary equipment can actually achieve. The moment you turn on the Ascent X5, you can feel the immense, unmatched power of its commercial-grade motor. I loaded the pitcher with an enormous, challenging batch of soaked rice, dal, and minimal water. The machine didn't hesitate for a fraction of a second, immediately establishing a flawless, deep vortex. The laser-cut stainless steel blades are intentionally blunt rather than sharp, relying entirely on sheer velocity and raw power to pulverize ingredients. This means they will never dull over time, even after years of grinding hard grains and lentils. The friction created by these blades breaks the rice down to a microscopic level, resulting in a batter so smooth it feels like liquid silk. One of the standout features of the X5 is its advanced self-detect technology and perfectly engineered tamper. If the thick batter ever stubbornly sits at the top, you just plunge the tamper directly through the lid to push it right back into the blades. The machine powers through the thickest, lowest hydration mixtures without the motor ever getting hot, protecting your delicate fermentation process. The Vitamix Ascent X5 completely replaces the need for a bulky, traditional stone-wet grinder. It produces a professional-level, deeply aerated, perfectly temperature-controlled batter in a fraction of the time. It is, without a shadow of a doubt, the best blender on the market for dosa batter, and it will elevate your cooking to absolute perfection.